Look at that, brand new, well, one brand new set of brakes and the other one's a copy. See if they fit. Clear that bit of sludge out the bottom first before we put these in. That's a bit cleaner, ain't it, Dale? You can have your dinner off of that.
Looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Here we go, take 10.
Take 10. This time.
That's it.
Bring it up a bit, bring the bottom up a bit.
I will want to get this out.
Like that. That's it, I'm in. I've gone in.
You're in, Del.
Yeah, look.
Yep.
But it's jammed. Just need to whack it in there now.
Go on then, tap. Get a tapper.
Where's the tapper that we had?
Yeah, I'll try that there. You should go push it through with your fingers. Make it so we've got it. What's it in both sides, don't forget. There you go, bit of adjustment. In theory, you just got to adjust on this nut here. Should be able to set them about right and put a cover back on. Yeah, sort of adjusted up. We might have to do a bit of final adjustment. I think that goes loose enough. We've got a bit of slack in it. Still just making the instant gasket. Do you ever do any cooking, Del?
Yeah, I used to bake cakes.
Yeah, just write the happy birthday on the top.
Yeah, I was the oyster.
Yeah? But no. Go. In theory, that's one brake, one steering brake done. We thought we'd do that. Thought we'd do that one first because this one here looks a lot harder. With that bit of plate there, makes it a bit more difficult. Well, we'll give it a go. Oh well. Brake shoe number 2, Del.
Faster this one.
It's going a bit faster. Even though this one here is a pain in the arse because it's
in a little box.
yeah, this gum shield gets in the way a bit. Where can we put this?
It's going to be fun because we've got to work around each other.
Need that screwdriver. Need the screwdriver to dig it out.
Hold on. Where is it? She's in. Oh no, we've got to move it back. Split in, stopping it going in.
Because the arm is not. That's it, Del.
I could be a professional at this, do you know that?
Yeah.
Look at that. That was easy, that one. That one was a doddle.
Undo that knot in the string and pull it out now.
Who done this? Like a girl guide?
I did.
So what, Mick, watch, this is how you undo the knot in the string. Told you it was done up by a girl guide, didn't I?
I'm done by one.
Wow.
So
Ladies and gents, we're going to tighten it up now.
Ooh. Ooh.
Not going to get much more movement there.
No, well, it pulls down anyway, doesn't it? So, for the brakes to come on. So in theory, we'd try it, don't we, like that?
Mm.
See what happens.
Well, you need that.
The other split.
Have to get some oil for that transmission now, Mick.
Yep.
Oh no, we'll have to put the brake levers on first, I think.
Well,
Check that we got the right adjustments.
we can adjust it.
Oh yeah, we can adjust it through them holes, can't we? Forgot about that. Bung's in the bottom, now it's added plenty of time to get all that syrup out. Well, Mick, what a surprise that was, eh? The one we thought was going to be the hardest turned out to be the easiest.
Well, because we practiced on that one.
Because we had a little practice first.
Yeah.
Cheers, Mick, and welcome to Finish Early Friday, ladies and gents. Enjoy.